Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID currently signed in on your device. This prevents creating or linking the wrong account. Once confirmed, launch Genshin Impact and open Settings, then Account. This is where linking happens. Make sure you have access to the email or phone that receives verification codes, because Genshin will send a confirmation. Doing this now saves back and forth later and ensures your game progress ties to the intended Apple ID. Next, navigate into Account Center and choose Link External Account to begin the technical step. Select Apple as the provider, then follow the on-screen prompts that hand off to Apple's sign-in flow. This verifies ownership. You will input your Apple ID credentials and likely be asked to approve a two-factor authentication prompt, so respond on your device. Once Apple confirms, Genshin writes that association into your MyHoYo account, which is why finally confirm the link by returning to Account Center and checking the linked accounts list. You should see Apple listed. If the link fails, sign out of your Apple ID, restart the device, and repeat the process, because cached sessions often cause errors. Make sure to capture the game UID and any error messages. If problems persist, contact MyHoYo support and provide those details and screenshots so they can resolve account conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.